It has been more than a year since we've purchased our now 12-year-old second-hand Canon 5D Mark II, and for us it has been an impressive experience. Let's start with the main selling point of this camera, which is its 21.1 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor. In 2020, 21 megapixels seems lacking compared to other cameras, especially to those fancy mirrorless ones that have up to 61 megapixels. But 21 megapixels is enough for your average shooters, and even professionals. Believe it or not, Canon's current flagship DSLR camera, the 1DX Mark III, and their brand new mirrorless camera, the EOS R6, only has a 20 megapixel sensor. Although having only 21 megapixels, the Canon 5D Mark II's image quality and noise performance are great despite its age. Images are decently sharp, and if you're one of those people who tend to crop an image to reframe a shot, you'd be surprised at how much detail it retains. Paired with a decent lens, this would be more than sufficient for all aspiring photographers out there. One of the benefits of having a full-frame sensor is the depth of field. A full-frame sensor has a more pleasing bokeh effect compared to a crop sensor with a lens of the same focal length and f-number. A full-frame sensor also produces a much cleaner image at high ISOs compared to a cropped sensor. But the Canon 5D Mark II not only shines in photography but also in video, for this is the first EOS camera with full HD video recording, which revolutionized the DSLR filming industry. More on this topic in our other video linked in the video description or on the top right hand corner. Another thing that we love about this camera is its solid build quality, as it has a weather-sealed magnesium alloy body. The many dings, chips, and scratches that you see on this camera are a decade's worth of abuse. Our camera person Wendell has already dropped this camera twice and exposed it to light rain showers. How much more from its previous owner? Despite all what it had been through, it still works like a charm. The Canon 5D Mark II had been reported to survive over 1 million shutter actuations, way more than its expected shutter life of only 150,000. This proves that Canon cameras are literally built like tanks. For a 12-year-old camera, it lacks some new features that newer models have, such as Wi-Fi, NFC, newer card slots, a touchscreen display, and a better autofocusing system. Albeit only having 9 autofocus points plus an additional 6 assists and only 1 cross type, the focusing speed is decent. The only complaint we have is the low number of autofocus points that only covers the center portion of the viewfinder. So in conclusion, the Canon 5D Mark II is still a competent pro-body DSLR and a fantastic bargain in 2020 despite its age and lack of newer features. With its rugged build quality and its exceptional photo and video capabilities, it is no wonder why the 5D series has been the beloved professional workhorse cameras in the history of digital photography. That's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, go ahead and press that like button. Go ahead and comment down your opinions on the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe. This has been the Techscapades. Thanks for watching.